Hey there, just coming on to share my Art Toolkit palettes with you today. I have the Pocket, the Folio, and I also got this little teeny tiny guy too, which I haven't filled with paint yet, so I'm gonna wait on that. But today I'm gonna swatch the Pocket setup with you, which is this one. This one I already swatched, and I made sure to purchase lots of mixing areas because I like to have room to mix. So, and I'll show you how, at the end, I'll show you how I attach these to my sketchbook so you can just have a really tiny kit when you go out to paint, or if you want to sit on your couch and paint, or wherever. It's just a really easy setup. So I like to have a couple blues, a couple yellows, and a couple reds always, and then some nice neutrals like browns or something in my setup. So this one has less than this one. So I get down to the basics here so that I has Antwerp blue here. And it also has French ultramarine. So I like to have a cool blue and a warm blue. The way you can tell your which is which is if it leans more towards red, or if it leans more towards like a purple or a green, a cooler color. And then the warmer colors are like yellow, orange, and red. So for instance, a yellow, you can see here, this is the warmer of the two. This is a cooler yellow. It's lemon yellow. It leans cooler. And then up here, like the reds, this one leans more pinkish purple. So the Quin Lilac is your cool, and then your Pyrrole Red, it's like more true red, more orange. That's going to be the warm one. And then same thing, blue. Blue is a cool color, but the one that has a little bit of red in it is going to be the one that is a little warmer. So like your cerulean blues are very cool usually. You get like this one's a nice cool blue here. It's kind of a lavendery blue. And your greenish blues tend to be cooler too, like these. So I like to always have those. Then you can mix pretty much everything that you would need if you have cool. And cool colors will fall back, whereas your warmer colors usually come forward. So that's a little, oh, what am I doing? Oh, I'm using the wrong palette. Good thing those are not the same colors. I just messed that whole thing up. That was idiotic. Okay, I started swatching the wrong palette there for a sec. Anyway, back to what we're doing. So this lunar blue, I just like it. It granulates, so like if you mix it with other colors, it does neat things. Anyway, so when I say granulates, that means it'll like separate on the paper. It's not totally smooth. Creates nice textures. Here's Quin Rose. And here's our Hansa Yellow. I accidentally was swatching that palette onto here, so there we go. And then ochre, I like this. It's kind of like a nice neutral yellow. And then this is Terra, I think it's Terra Rosa, and I like it. It's a nice saturated pigment. These are good for landscapes and things. And there it is. So there's a Pocket palette and the Folio. The Folio, I got to put in colors, just extra colors that I like for fun. But you really don't need all of that. So you can make some really nice paintings with these, which I'll demonstrate in future videos for you. And then this little tiny guy, I'll use this, I'm thinking, I have some really small sketchbooks that I made. And I will come back and show you that if you're interested. But I did promise I want to show you how I attach these really easily for a nice setup to take out. I purchased these clips off of Amazon. They're magnets. So if you just open your sketchbook, you clip it on with the magnet top facing up, you can just pop your palette right on there, and that's all you need in your water brush. So if you have water in your water brush, you can just start painting. That's all you need to get out there, and maybe a pencil if you like to draw before you paint. So it's super easy. Have fun painting.